Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of converting your WhatsApp account to a business account. Whether you're a small business owner or looking to enhance your communication with customers, converting to a WhatsApp business account can provide valuable features. Let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Messenger on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Step 2. Before proceeding, it's important to back up your WhatsApp Messenger data. You can do this by going to the settings of your WhatsApp Messenger and selecting the backup option. Step 3. Download the WhatsApp Business app from the Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Install the app on your device. Step 4. Once the app is installed, open it and approve the terms of service presented to you. Step 5. Register your business account by providing the necessary details. This includes your business name, phone number, and any additional information required. Step 6. Complete the transfer process by following the on-screen instructions. This will involve verifying your phone number and transferring your WhatsApp Messenger data to the WhatsApp Business app. Step 7. Sync your contacts and photos to the WhatsApp Business app. This will ensure that your business contacts and media are readily accessible within the app. Step 8. Finally, create your business account by customizing your business profile. Add your business logo, description, and any other relevant information to make your account more professional. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to convert WhatsApp to a business account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.